Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Soumya, student of class 6th A, is going to present our thought of the day. Thought of the day is: the beautiful things about learning is that no one can take it away from you. Thought of the day is: an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Thought of the day is: God helps those who helps themselves. Thought of the day is: work hard in silence. Let success make the noise. Thought of the day is: prayer does not change God, but it changes him who prays.